RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. It's a wireless technology that uses radio wave to detect and track objects. Items that have RFID tags can be scanned without needing to touch them or even have a direct line of sight. For example, when we pay using our phone at the counter, the system uses RFID to detect and process our payment efficiently. This makes it fast and convenient for both customers and businesses.
Now let's move on to how RFID works. The process begins when RFID readers emits radio wave through its antenna. This radio wave creates an electromagnetic field around the reader. This field is essential as it enables communication between the readers and any RFID tags in the area. When RFID tag enters this electromagnetic field, it becomes activated. For passive tags, which don't have their own power supply, the energy from the reader signals is enough to power the chip inside the tag. Active tags, on the other hand, come with their own battery and are always ready to send data when triggered. Once activated, the tag's microchip starts to modulate the radio wave. This means it changes or alters the wave to embed its own stored data into the signal. The data could include anything from a product ID to location or timestamp, depending on the application. The modulated signal, now carrying the data from the tag, is reflected back to the reader's antenna. The readers then capture this reflected signal and begins decoding the information it contains. After decoding, the readers process the information and send it to the middleware or central system. This is where the data is further analyzed, stored or used to trigger other actions like updating inventory or granting access.
Applications of RFID technology. RFID technology is applied in many useful ways today. First, in inventory management, companies use RFID tags to track their stock in real time. This helps them see exactly how much inventory they have. RFID also makes stock audit faster and more accurate compared to manual counting. Second, RFID is widely used for access control and security. For example, employee ID card with RFID allow automatic entry into buildings. It also helps protect restricted areas by only letting authorized people in. And last, contactless payment system rely on RFID technology too. Users can make fast tap and go payments using cards, phones, and smartwatches. It's also safer because there's less physical contact, reducing the chance of fraud and spreading germs. These examples show how RFID makes things more efficient, secure, and convenient in different areas of life.
Next, I'm going to explain the advantages of using RFID technology, especially in smart lock and security system. One of the main advantages of RFID is MasterCard functionality. With RFID, different locks can be programmed to accept the same key card. This means users don't need to carry many different keys or cards. It also allows each lock to have its own rules and access level, making it more flexible and organized. The second advantage is theft and loss prevention. RFID tags help track the exact location of items in real time. If any item is taken out of a secure area, the system can immediately send an alert. Besides, the data collected from RFID can be analyzed to discover patterns of loss or theft. This helps to improve overall security strategies. Lastly, RFID system provides strong security. The data in RFID tags is usually protected and can only be read using special equipment. This makes it difficult for unauthorized people to access or hack the system. It helps ensure that only approved user can unlock or access the system.
Now, let's take a look at the challenges RFID faces because no matter how advanced the technology is, it always comes with its own set of hurdles. The first challenge that RFID face is reader collision. When multiple RFID readers operate close to each other on the same frequency, their signals may interfere. This reader collision leads to missed or duplicated tag reads, reducing system accuracy and reliability. It's a common issue in environments like cartel plazas where multiple lanes have overlapping reader zones. Second is high initial costs. Implementing RFID is significantly more expensive than using barcodes. Costs include readers, antennas, and tags, as well as software integration and infrastructure upgrades. For small businesses or large-scale deployments, this upfront investment can be a major barrier. And lastly, tag durability. This is because RFID tags can degrade in harsh environments. Exposure to extreme heat, moisture, chemicals, or dust, which are common in outdoor or industrial settings, may cause damage to the tags or interfere with signal transmission. This may lead to unreliable performance or failure.
To conclude, RFID is transforming the way industry operate, from managing inventory and logistics to help in healthcare and retail. RFID improve efficiency, reduce error, and enhance data security. As this technology, we can expect even more innovative application in the future, making our system smarter and more accurate.